Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today, I am doing an unboxing of a pair of Gaziano and Girling Cannaught. These are my first pair of traditional austerity brogues. My first experience with austerity brogues was a Carlos Santos pair that I bought that were long wings. And they were very nice, really liked them, but the fit wasn't perfect. So I wound up selling them last year. And this time I really nailed the fit perfectly. It's my third pair of Gaziano and Girlings, my second pair on this last, and I feel really, really good about it. So take a look, let me know what you think, and look forward to your feedback.
Welcome to Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Here we do unboxing videos, we discuss general shoe knowledge, we do worth the price videos as shoe reviews, and we will do shoe battles, comparing shoe to shoe so that you can understand the differences. I also speak to experts in the field.
Welcome. Today we're going to do an unboxing, a very quick one. This is the Gaziano and Girling Cannaught vintage oak on the TG73 last. It's a 10. So let's take a look. Got the typical thing from G&G. These big, beautiful, suede shoe bags. Oh, look at this. I actually added the trees before doing the unboxing just to keep them straight. They have this here keeping it clean. Look at that. Polish is pretty nice, done before it gets here. Look at that. Austerity brogues on the TG73 last. It's the same last as I have for my St. James 2, my Adelaide. Just a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Really designed to be as dressy as a wingtip can be. So very excited about these. Can't wait to wear them. I feel like the color is really good. The progression of color is great within the toe, and I feel like it's going to be a great addition to the collection. So as we take a look at these, I'm really impressed with the fit. I feel like this fits me on the arch a lot better than the other ones do. And I don't mean the instep, I mean the arch. The others are just a little bit looser on the arch of the foot, and these feel a little bit tighter. So real excited about them. I feel like they're really the epitome of what I expect one of these wingtips to be. Austerity brogues are always something that I've really been fascinated with and never really found a pair that I was just really happy with. And of course, these soles, like all Gaziano and Girling soles, are to die for. So very happy with them. Hope you like them. Let me know what you think.